Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at knee pain recovery. We'll go over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with a knee injury. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained an injury to your knees that has resulted in pain and suffering following an accident that wasn't your fault, but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. In order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with knee and leg injury claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation where we'll talk through your knee injury with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. If you're suffering from knee pain following an accident, the NHS recommends a couple of steps to help ease the pain. First, put as little weight as possible on the knee. For example, avoid standing for a long time. Use an ice pack or a bag of frozen peas wrapped in a tea towel on your knee for up to 20 minutes every 2 to 3 hours. Take paracetamol. If this doesn't work, you should see a GP if it does not improve within a few weeks. You cannot move your knee or put any weight on it. Your knee locks, painfully clicks, or gives way. Painless clicking is normal. However, NHS.uk recommends that you should call 111 for advice if your knee is very painful. Your knee is badly swollen or has changed shape. You have a very high temperature, feel hot and shivery. You have redness or heat around the knee. This can be a sign of infection. 111 will tell you what to do. They can tell you the right place to get help and if you need to see someone. So, if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a knee injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we'll be more than happy to hear from you. Whether it be a road traffic accident, a slip, trip or fall accident, or even an accident at work. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. And if we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid your recovery, and we'll aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way if you require any further treatment. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.